Yeah, hi, my name is Richard from Stuyvesant High School in incoming software. I chose the MIDI controller because it standed out the most to me compared to all the other projects. And the MIDI controller basically allows the user to select a variety of sounds to create an infinite number of combinations of music. So you can use this device to create different kinds of sounds to create music in your own way. The components I used was the knob, the potentiometers, and the buttons. And this is an example of the buttons like this, which is pretty satisfying to hear. And the most trouble I had with the project overall was the potentiometers because of the 3 pins, the ground, the voltage, and then the power. It really troubled me when I was connecting the wires to the Arduino, and I had to figure that out. I'll be sharing a quick video demonstrating a portion of how the project would have looked like. Obviously, I'm not completely done yet, but here I'm turning the knobs to showcase how the LED would glow brighter. The yellow one didn't quite work out because of how many wires there are, so it didn't quite fit properly. But as you can see, all the LEDs are glowing brighter as I turn the knobs. And here I am showcasing my code. So at the top, I'm defining all of my variables to set equal to 0 to initialize them. And then in my setup here, I'm defining the pins for each one, so blue, red, yellow, and green. And then finally at the loop, reading my pins at each analog. And these are where my pins are connected to the Arduino, so A2, A3, A4, and A5. And then I'm reading the values here with the mapping of the values. And then here at the bottom, we finally write the function so it will actually glow. So overall, my time at BlueStat was pretty fun. From this project, I've been more interested in the engineering side because it's interesting to fit all these components together and then make something substantial, which was pretty fun to do. And the next steps for me would be to drill the holes into the plastic enclosure and then transfer all these components into the plastic enclosure to have a final product. Thank you.
Great, nice. So what else do you wanna? I have a question, Ryan. Like, what are your next steps exactly? So are you done with your circuit and everything?
Yeah, I would have to complete the circuit for my potentiometers and then drill the holes into the plastic enclosure. And I already have my design ready. I just need to incorporate that and I'll be ready to go.
Okay, nice. Awesome. So if no one has any other questions, we